Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app and press the screencast button. Select your TV and it's done. Now you can play any music or video on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press the screencast button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.